How to build a faceless profitable email list. Fast with AI, it's 2 a.m. You're scrolling through your phone when an email pops up. Flash sale, 70% off your favorite course. You click. You buy. The person who sent that email? You've never seen their face. But they just made money while they slept. Everyone tells you to post on social media. But the real wealth online hides in faceless email lists that print money quietly, even when the algorithms change. And now with AI, you can build one faster than ever, even if you've never written a single email before. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how to create a faceless, profitable email list that works on autopilot, and how AI can do most of the heavy lifting for you. If you've ever tried building an audience online, you know the struggle. You post daily, but no one clicks. You buy fancy tools, but they confuse you. You spend hours writing perfect emails, and nobody opens them. You check your list, 37 subscribers. Then one unsubscribes. It's not just disappointing, it's discouraging. You start to believe that only influencers or tech experts can make real money online. But that's not true. The most profitable businesses don't rely on followers. They rely on systems. Systems that quietly attract, nurture, and convert people using one simple tool, the email list. And AI just made that process faster, easier, and completely faceless. The real problem isn't you. It's how you think about attention. Social media rewards noise. Email rewards trust. Think of it like this. TikTok is a rushing river. You throw your bait, and the fish disappear in seconds. Email is a private pond, full of loyal subscribers who chose to be there. And here's a fact. People are 5 times more likely to buy from an email than a post. According to McKinsey, email marketing averages $42 for every $1 spent. That's the power of ownership. And with AI, you can now write the copy, design the emails, and automate delivery without ever showing your face or hiring a team. Step 1. Define your faceless persona and niche. You don't need your face, you need a voice your audience trusts. Instead of John's fitness tips, think the Smart Fit Journal. Instead of Amy's side hustles, try Passive Profit Lab. Use AI to brainstorm brand names that feel credible and consistent. You're creating a digital identity, not a personality. Forget massive ebooks nobody reads. Use ChatGPT or Claude to create a 3-page checklist or quick action guide that solves one small problem. Ask, create a 3-page cheat sheet called 5-Minute Morning Habits for Busy Entrepreneurs. Then use Canva or Kittl to make it look professional. Simple, specific, and valuable. That's the formula for a lead magnet that works. You don't need ads to grow your list. You need content. Take your lead magnet and break it into 10 short tips. Turn those into YouTube shorts or reels using Pictory or Opus Clip. Add your freebie link in the caption. Each video becomes a traffic engine that drives people straight to your opt-in page. And you never have to appear on camera. Just use stock clips or AI avatars. Now it's time to turn sign-ups into relationships. Use tools like Beehiiv, ConvertKit, or System.io. Ask ChatGPT to write a 5-email welcome sequence. Email 1, deliver the freebie. Email 2, share your story or mission. Email 3, teach a quick win. Email 4, share proof or a testimonial. Email 5, offer your product or affiliate link. Once it's live, it runs 24/7, your digital clone that builds trust while you sleep. AI doesn't just automate, it personalizes. If a subscriber clicks a link about affiliate marketing, tag them. Then send them tailored tips using ConvertKit's AI Writer or ChatGPT. Each person gets content that feels written just for them. It builds trust automatically, at scale. Don't wait until you have 1,000 subscribers. Monetize from day 1. Add affiliate links to tools you already use. Offer a $7 guide made with AI. Or launch your own small course later. Your list is not just a contact list, it's your digital asset. And AI helps you find what people click, open, and buy most. That's how you scale without guessing. Here's the twist nobody talks about. Most people build email lists to sell. Smart creators build lists to learn. Because every click, every open, every reply teaches AI what your audience wants next. And when you understand that, you're no longer chasing trends. You're predicting them. You don't need followers, you need permission. Social media is renting attention. Email is owning it. AI becomes your silent employee, writing, testing, analyzing, and growing your audience non-stop. You're not building a list. You're building an ecosystem that thrives without your face ever appearing online. Here's your simple 3-step system. Step 1. Create with AI, your lead magnet, landing page, and welcome emails. Step 2. Automate delivery with Systeme.io or ConvertKit. Step 3. Repurpose everything into shorts using Pictory or Clip. Every short drives traffic, every email builds trust, and every click compounds your growth. Remember that faceless creator who made money while they slept? They didn't win because they were lucky. They won because they built leverage. With AI, you can do the same. No camera. No ads. No burnout. Just a system that works quietly behind the scenes, building your list, your income, and your freedom. Own your audience. Build your list. Automate your future. Because your brand doesn't need a face, it needs a system. Build. Automate. Profit. Subscribe for more AI side hustle systems.